What is up, guys? So today we have a weird video. I know this is a weird little intro to do, but it's got a little undo what's going on right here. What's that going on? What's inside that bag? So let's see. I am going to go to the coast tomorrow. So I had to go do some stuff to prep up for my little salt adventures. So I actually learned these right here. These are the chatterweights. I learned these from a guide down in South Padre who's really good. His name is John, Captain John Barrow. You can look him up. I'll leave a link. I love these things. These are pretty much weighted rattles. They help out a lot. Just got some experimental stuff on the use. I mean, I have already a salt box that I'm gonna be using, but there's gonna be some experimental things. So got some live target right here. Baitcaster 2018, little live shrimp, fake shrimp. Just some standard rattling jig heads, you know. And to pair those up, I got some, you know, gotta support those Texas local companies anytime. So of course we got that. I don't know if you can see it, but Down South Lures. This right here is DS Down South Lures. This is a really good lure company. John told me about this company because his friend owns it, and also he's sponsored by them. And so right here it's made in San Antonio, which is awesome because you gotta support that local. And man, they smell really good actually. Just look how they smell. So we got some salt stuff right here. I actually got my reel unspooled. This is my salt rod right here. This is a Berkly Amp. Got it paired with a, I think this is a 30 size. No, it's a 40 silver maxx P. This is what I use for salt. This is my salt reel. So I got a 7-foot amp rod I'm using. I'm playing with some braid tonight. You'll see a little B-roll. Do a B-roll shot of that. Just things going up. For sure, I'm gonna throw these. You know, pair these right here. And then the shrimp, just in case we can't get any live shrimp, I'll have some backup shrimp. And then these are for obviously for the live baits that we use if we can get some croakers or whatnot. So pick these up because these are a great option to have, and I love these things. And pretty cool. So like I said, support, you know, Texas company, local companies only. So let's go ahead and get this going, get this little shot going, and this is part 1 of it. I don't know if I'll do 2 parts of the series, but we'll find out. But so let's go ahead and get rigged up, pack everything ready for tomorrow's adventure, and I'll see y'all in the morning. So peace. at that. Bye, buddy. Yep. Oh, I fell off.
Try to trade this for bait?
is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around the channel. I was hoping this series would have been like, this little day series would have been epic, but you know, it's part of fishing, right? You know, there's conditions that happen during these times where it's, unfortunately, you know, doesn't always play out. So I'll catch you on the next episode. Thank you for watching, you know, this series. Thank you for sticking around. I'll catch y'all later. Trust me, the next series that I film will be an epic series for sure. And we are going to Florida. That's right, I see the big spot where we're going, but I didn't tell you where we're going. So stay tuned, because we're definitely gonna knock out some bucket list fish on this next humongous trip. But we'll do a little couple pond hopping videos around here and there. But overall today, a little hammerhead, which is a goal of mine. So hammer, you know, the ginormous, you know, big one. Nice size hammerhead. So I'll go ahead and catch you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.